Hi guys. Oh my gosh, we got closer. Okay, I'm gonna look this time. She's gonna walk. I'm scared.
Okay. Do we use this thing right?
Yeah. I'm gonna hit my head. Look at this, I'm shaking. Kaylee, help me!
Sorry.
No, help me.
Which way are we going?
I don't know.
Forward, straight, turn.
You tell me. You're.
Oh wait, last time I was on by the rocks, so let's go.
Oh my gosh. Okay, the things get fuzzy. Oh, found one. Found one.
No, but it's getting fuzzy.
I'm not looking up.
It's only when we know the camera starts getting fuzzy.
No, help.
Like... Okay,
Go on!
still alive.
Don't look up.
You know what?
I mean, I'm looking. No, I'm not gonna look up. We're looking at grass.
Oh my god!
Well, I hit my head on your head. Holy crap. Our time was 1 minute and 4 seconds. We officially fail at this game.